everyone, I am Gennetta and welcome to Being GTV. If you haven't already done so, feel free to subscribe to my channel so that you will always be notified of when I upload. This morning, I am taking advantage of a much needed day off from work by going to the spa and having a pamper me day. Here, I'm just cleaning up after breakfast, just washing a few dishes and wiping off the countertop. I also have to make my detox water to take with me, so I'm going to be slicing an orange and a lemon. So once I get done with this, I'm going to head out and make my way to the spa, so I will see you guys there. I would like to send a big shout out to the first two people that commented on my last video, and they are Hina Nawab and Free Trader, both here on YouTube, and I will leave the link to their channel in the description box below. Thanks for the support. So I'm all done with the coconut scrub. So now I'm dressed. My hair did get wet, so it's a little fuzzy, frizzy. It's a little fuzzy, frizzy, but it'll have to do until I get home. So now I'm going over to the restaurant to eat some lunch. So I'll see you there. back in the car. I was going to try to record in the restaurant, but they were playing music, so that was a no. But I'm going to give you my thoughts on my spa treatment, my overall package. So she did the exfoliating first, and then she turned on the Vichy Shower. So if you're not familiar with the Vichy Shower, V-I-C-H-Y, it's just a shower that you're vertical instead of horizontal. And mind you, I didn't want to get my hair wet, so I had on 2 scarves and 2 shower caps and a towel wrapped around all of that, and my hair still got wet. But it's very relaxing, and she stretched out all the kinks in my body, so that was worth it. But it's really nice. I would recommend it if you're someone that likes massages or loves massages, and just pamper me days, then yes, try the Vichy Shower. Your hair will get wet though. No matter how hard you try, your hair will get wet. But yeah, so that was good. I took advantage of the pool. I got the spa treatment, and in the restaurant I got the Greek salad with grilled shrimp. That was really good. I did purchase a drink, Malibu rum with pineapple juice and then cranberry. And then for dessert, I got the vanilla bean cheesecake with raspberry sorbet. Yes. So yes, I'm very relaxed now. I enjoyed myself. So yes, I would highly recommend the Vichy Shower. Yeah, but that's it, guys. So thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you are having a great day. I hope you are being productive. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Oh, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that button. What are you waiting for? Do it. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.